In my previous video, I explained about the file opening and closing. How you will open the file and how will you close the file. To perform any operation on the file must be open. So I told you how will you open the file. Python provides to open the file. For this purpose, Python provides a built-in function whose name is open, and this open function opens the file. Alright, how will you write the open method in your program? The syntax of open method is written here again. I wrote syntax of open function for you here. File object name is equal to open file name and file mode. This is the open function that takes two arguments, file name and file mode, and it opens, and what it does, it opens the file first and connect your file with the Python program so the stream, and this stream reference is stored in the file object name. Alright, now let us see what is the file object. This is the file object that we obtain in the open statement, open function syntax. Today I will describe file object and file mode. Now let us see one by one. First of all, let us see file object. File object is also known as file handle, and file objects are created by using open function. It is a reference of the file that is stored on the disk. First of all, you need to careful on the syntax of file function that I wrote on the top. Look it again and again. Look it when you start to read these lines, these points. File objects are created by using open function. It is a reference of the file stored on the. This is a reference of file that is stored on the hard disk. On this file, you will write the information for future use. I mean, this file is stored on your hard disk permanently. Now, see next point. These file objects are used to read data from file and write data into the file. Without using the file object, we cannot perform any operation like reading, writing and modifying the data on the file. On file, related operations are performed with the help of this file object that we create in the open function syntax. Now some more important point about the file object is when you open a file, then Python stores the reference of the specified in the file object. In this file object, the reference is stored. Alright? And with the help of that reference name, you will perform the operations on the file. A file object of Python is string or byte. This is the logical point. A file object of Python is a string of bytes where the data can be read either byte by byte or line by line. Alright? So it is clear why file object is necessary and why it is used. How it is used? It will be explained in the next slide. I mean in forward. Now let us see the file access mode. What do you mean by the file mode? What do you mean by file mode? A file mode governs the type of operation. File mode means type of operation. That is read operation, write operation and modify operation या edit operation. These operations can be done when file is open. This is the condition. These three operations can be performed on the file when the file is open. So to perform these operations, you must open the file. And file access mode says for which purpose you are going to open the file. For reading purpose, for writing purpose, or for modification purpose. It is clear? So, before using this statement, you must confirm for which purpose you are going to open the file and what is the file name. Alright, now let us see more about the file access mode. Students, let us say file access mode. I have told you file access mode says which kind of operation can be performed on the file. Mostly three kinds of operations are performed on the file, that is read operation, write operation and modifying the contents, modification operation. As you know, there are two types of file, text file and binary file. So here I am talking about the text file. Python supports following access mode for the text file, and these access mode are read mode, write mode, append mode. Read mode is written as R, write mode is written as W, and append mode is indicated by H. R means read mode only, read only mode. W means write only mode, and A means append mode. In append mode, we can perform writing operation. Next, R plus. R plus means read and write both mode. R plus means read and write both mode. W plus means write and read mode. And A plus means write and read mode. If you want to open a file in both mode, then you should use these modes. If you want to use file in only one mode, then you should use these modes. Alright? And these are the some descriptions about these modes that I am telling you one by one. In the write mode, file must exist. If file does not exist, then it will raise error. It means if you are going to open your file in the read mode, then file must exist in the hard disk. If there is no file, then it will give you an error message, IO error. Next, write mode. In the write mode, if file does not exist, then in this mode, a new file is created for the writing operation. If file exists, then Python deletes the old content, old data, and override the file with the new content. Alright? In append mode, in the append mode, file is in write mode only. If file exists, then Python keeping old data, write new data at the end of the file. यदि फाइल एग्जिस्ट करती है, if file exists, then in this case means in append case, Python keeping old data means by storing the older contents, write new content in. And if file does not exist, then in append mode, Python create a new file and write the data. Now let us see R plus mode. R plus mode is read and write mode. In this mode, file must exist, same as earlier. In this mode, read and write both operations can be performed. However, if you use only R, then only you can perform read operation. R plus, write and read mode. In this mode, new file is created if file does not exist, and if file exists, deletes the old data and creates new file. I mean, write new contents in the file. And file is available for reading also. Next, A plus write and read mode. In this mode, file is created, file does not exist. Only file exists, then we will more data and write new data at the end of the file. As you know it, append mode is and in this mode, file is also available for both operation, I mean reading and writing operation. These are the summary of the file access mode for the text file. I will discuss these things for the binary file in the next video. Thank you.